All right, guys, we got the drain weasel. We're gonna go ahead and do it again because we got this sink that's stopped up. So let me get the handle, put this on. I don't even know if we're gonna use this, but we might use it. This handle, but you put the handle on like this. It's got this little, lock that down, okay. Drive it down in there as far as it'll go. And you're supposed to spin this as you pull it out to wind up all the hair. So we'll do that. And pull. Let's see what we get. Oh.
Ew.
That is disgusting. But it's our disgusting, so we have to deal with it. Ooh.
Ew.
Look at that. We'll do it again.
That's why it was clogged.
That's why it was clogged. I hate these. We'll be changing that out. I got another video coming up. We'll change this out with the one that it's supposed to have in there. But that's it. That's the name of the game. Put this in there. You'll push it way down in there as far as you can go. And then you'll spin this to get all the hair attached to the sticky part of it. And then you'll pull it out. And we got a big old glob out. And now I have to clean this sink out because it was all stopped up for a while. There's the video. Hope you like it. Subscribe. We'll put this in the link. We'll put the link for this in there in the description. And have a good one. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and spray some of this Clorox Scentiva. We'll just clean up the area a little bit.